Hi you guys, I'm in my car right now because I am going thrifting. I'm going to try and recreate Ariana Grande's look from the Billboard cover. She's wearing a brown blazer with like some draping over it. So I'm getting my oil changed right now. I have to do that first because my light's been on for a little while. And then I'll probably go to Goodwill and to Crossroads and see what they have there. So before we go in, I wanted to share my look of the day with you. I'm wearing a black blazer that I actually got at Goodwill for $1. This white cami underneath and my belt bag from Topshop that I also got thrifting. These ripped jeans from Fashion Nova and Converse shoes. Here we go. Maybe we can find something here. That's kind of close, but not the right color. This one could work. Or maybe that one. Let's see. The sleeves are like way too long. This one's too small. So I think this could work. It's from Banana Republic and it still has the original tag on it and it's only $10. Okay you guys, I got a blazer from Goodwill and now I'm at Michael's and I'm gonna go look for the rhinestones to put over the blazer. Let's see what we can find. I'm in the jewelry section right now looking for some kind of like rhinestone thing. Like a string of rhinestones. I don't see any here. Maybe there are some over here. These all look like beads actually. They have these, but I'm looking for more of like a string. These might do. Let's see if there's any more of this color. Here's the blazer, and as you can see, it's new with the tag from Banana Republic, and new, it cost $149, and I got it for, well, it says here $10, but it was 50% off. So I actually got it for $5, which is a great deal. I can't believe that. Unfortunately, I didn't find what I was looking for at Michael's, but I'm gonna go ahead and order some rhinestone strings on Amazon. These are the strings that I'm gonna order. They're only $7.99 and they should arrive in a day or two. So we'll finish the tutorial then. Hi guys, I am back to recreate Ariana Grande's blazer from the Billboard cover. So here I have the blazer and I got 3 spools of rhinestones from Amazon. I didn't want to run out. This is what they look like. They come wrapped in plastic, and I also have needle and thread. So this is the look that we're trying to recreate. Here's another shot of it. Okay, you guys can kind of see now. I have the rhinestones laid out on one side. Oh, ignore my Scottish Terrier pajamas. And I'm going to put some thread at the top to hold it, and then some thread here to connect, and then connect here like this, and then back down here, and alternating between the rhinestone strings of what I connect, if that makes sense. I'm going to do this side and then I'm going to do the other side of the jacket. I'm going to use the brown thread so that you cannot see it on the jacket. And I'm going to start with threading up here and sewing it on. So I'm going to sew these two together and then down here like this. The needle literally just snapped as I was trying to thread it. Do you see that? Man down. Okay, apparently I bought like the shittiest sewing kit because look at what happened to these scissors when I tried to use them. I'm done, and now I'm doing this one. I'm literally just going over, under, over, under, over, under, and making sure I'm not sewing the back of the jacket to the front of the jacket while I'm going under, because I literally just did that and had to cut it and redo it. Okay, so I just finished one side of the jacket. And I've just been sewing little pieces here, 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 as you can see. And then I did a little bit on the back just to make it stay. So now I'm gonna do the other side. All right, I finally finished the blazer. As you can see, I made a mess. But now there are rhinestones on both sides. And here they're gathered on the bottom. I left it open. Ariana Grande's kind of like come across like this, but obviously I have to put it on. Here's another shot of the back so you can kind of see it just sort of dangles down and then loops around the front on both sides. I'm wearing the blazer that I made to imitate Ariana Grande, and I paired it with some Zara pants, and I'm wearing some simple Zara black patent leather heels as well. I have no idea where I'll wear this, but I love it anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this DIY and feel inspired to do your own. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Please click the subscribe button if you like this video so you don't miss any future videos, and follow along at Nomad Moda on Instagram. Until next time!